Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you a side-by-side comparison of these two watches. The left one is the Casio AQ-S810W and the right side is the Casio AQ-S820W. Okay, let's start. First is the case size. The left one is 52.2mm lug to lug, 48.3mm wide, and 13.7mm thick. And the right one 52.5mm lug to lug, 50.1mm wide, and 12.7mm thick. So it is thinner but slightly wider. Okay, and then for the weight, the left one is 40 grams and the right one is 46 grams. And then for the water resistance, the same 100 meters. And then for the power, the left one and the right one also the same, tough solar with 10 months of power reserve or 23 months in power saving mode. And then for the accuracy, the same, 30 seconds per month. And then the calendar also the same, auto calendar up to 2099. And then the next one for the case and bezel. The left one is made from resin, rugged with protruding bezel for protection, and also removable. While the right one using resin, and then it has modern and cleaner design with very little bezel protection. And then for the crystal, both are using resin glass, and yes, scratch prone, but the left one is more protected by the bezel compared to the right one. Okay, and then for the buttons, the left one is using resin with textured surface like this, and also have the button guards, while the right one is using chrome plated buttons. Looks classy but more smooth, or yeah, not as creepy as the left one. And then for the strap, the left one is using the similar strap to the W735, W736 with fixed joints like this. And yes, it's comfortable but has overhangs on smaller wrist. While the right one is using the same design with the MWD110, so it has more flexible joint like this. And yes, it has an improved strap also, so in this case the right one is better in terms of the strap comfort. And then for the dial and display, the left one has both rugged dial with textured surface and thick chapter ring, and the right one has cleaner dial with slight sunray effect and more modern design. Also it has wider LCD screen. And then the next one for the indices and hands. Both large white hands with lume, but there are no lume on the indices. And then for the digital display, the left one has smaller, cramped spacing, and it has second animation. And yes, sometimes the LCD screen blocked by the hands. And then the right one has a larger and better spacing for the LCD display. And yes, it has no more second animation, but still it can be blocked by the hands. And then for the backlight, similar using amber LED and only covering the LCD with 1.5 or 3 seconds of afterglow effect. So meaning both has no lighting for the analog parts. And then speaking about the features and functions, all has the same full feature set. So roll time, 5 alarms, dual interval timers, stopwatch, auto calendar, and synchronized hands. And then for the comfort, the left one is lightweight and wears large but okay with some overhang, while the right one has better strap flexibility that is much improved, has lighter feel and more comfortable. The left one has a sporty and rugged casual style, while the right one has more modern, less G-Shock vibe and more versatile daily styling. Speaking of spare parts, we can find replacement strap and bezel for the AQ-S810, and then for the AQ-S820 it's very difficult to find replacement straps as of now. And then for the price, the left one is now around $40 US, while the 820, the one that's just released, is around $60 US. So it is more than the entry-level G-Shock DW9052. So in overall, the AQ-S810W is the best choice if you want rugged looks, better crystal protection, lower price, and easier spare parts. while the Casio AQ-S820W is the best choice if you want a modern design, more versatile styling, better strap comfort and a bigger digital display, even if it costs more and offers less protection. So in short, the 810 has style value, while the 820 has modern comfort. And that's all for the side-by-side comparison. I hope this will help you to decide which one you want. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.